Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. In this video, we are going to talk about what is final keyword and what is constant keyword in Dart. So basically, the question is what is the meaning of constant? So if we never want to change the value of any variable, then we have to make it as a constant. So we have two different ways to initialize to make any variable as a constant. Let me first define a void main first. So basically, I'm taking an example. I'm just initializing a variable name is a, and the value of a is 2. So if I have to make this value as a constant, then I have to write the keyword as a final, or I can also write constant b equals to 3, right? So by using both these methods, we are able to make the value a and b as a constant. So now one question arises: why we have two different ways to make any value as a constant? So the difference between final and constant is that final variable can only be set once, and it is initialized when accessed. Means the memory allocation will only occurs when we accessing the variable a. If we are not accessing the variable a, then the memory allocation will not going to be happen. And in constant variable is implicitly final, but it is a compiler time constant. Means it doesn't matter that whether we are using variable b or not inside our program. It always initialize our space. It always allocate our memory. Another difference is that we cannot define a constant variable inside a class level. So let's see what is the meaning of that. So I'm taking a class name is ABC, and now I'm initializing. I'm taking uh, name is Dart. So I have created a variable and I have made it as a constant by using the final keyword. But if I'm using another variable, city is New Delhi, and if I want this variable to be constant by using a constant keyword, then it should show me the error. Let's see. See, it's showing me the error constant. So the reason is the constant variable. We cannot define a constant variable to a class level. For doing this, we have to make it as a static constant. So what this static word use and what this static keyword is used to. Basically, static keyword is used to make it as a member. So currently, by using the static keyword, I'm making this constant variable. I'm using this constant keyword as a member of ABC. Now we are able to use this as a class level. So without using static keyword, we are not able to use any constant keyword to make any variable as a constant uh, up to a class level. So let me write a definition so that you can use it anywhere in your interview, or you can write it anywhere. So basically, this is the major difference between a final keyword and your constant keyword. You can use this definition anywhere in your exam as well, or you can use this definition in your interview as well. So basically, this is the basic of a final keyword and constant keyword. We will see how to use final keyword and constant keyword in more depth in upcoming videos. So I hope you like the video and you like my channel as well. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Also, you can comment to me if you are facing any issues in Flutter in Dart. Thank you. Thanks a lot.